Hi, friends. I'm speaking on the behalf of Savarkar Mitra Mandal Hingoli. We established this organization in 2016. We don't have the executive body, the members, but at the same time, all are equal, all have shoulders to shoulders. This is our motto. And the common thread and the common factor which we have, that is Swatantraveer Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Each year since 2016, we have been celebrating on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Swatantraveer Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. At the same time, we kept a very simple format. We would arrange the speeches of the noted scholars who have studied Swatantraveer Vinayak Damodar Savarkar very well. Sagrodikar Madam, Neeraj Dev, Satishji Vidolkar, such stalwarts have given the speeches on the occasion of Swatantraveer Savarkar Jayanti on each 28th May of each year. We all know the year 2020 and 2021 has the massive threat of coronavirus, and all the public meetings and gatherings are cancelled. Not only they, but also the individual liberties are restricted, which always the individuals get in the society. Then last year, really we were not misprepared for the lockdowns. So we were essentially in our own cocoon, we may say. So we only garlanded the effigy, the photo of Swatantraveer Savarkar, and just kept the stone rolling. But this year, as we know, the world has seen the social media bloom. That is not the blooming actually, that is boom also. Because internet, Google, YouTube, WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. are nothing but the tools of the social media. So this year we decided to celebrate the Speeches Week, that is called Vakyan Saptah in Marathi, or it may be in Hindi also. At the same time, we had this idea just around the 12th or 13th of April. And after having that idea, we who actively participate in all these programs and we try to arrange, we decide to arrange the online speeches. And that's why the recorded speeches actually, not the meetings like Zoom or Google Meet. So therefore, and our vicinity is Hingoli. I want to just say, Hingoli is the district place in India, in Maharashtra, in the region of Marathwada. And there we all live. As I spoke already, our common thread is nothing but our liking towards Swatantraveer Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. We got the tremendous response. Today is 29th of April. Yesterday was 20th. And for all 7 days, we successfully arranged the recorded speeches given by some experienced students of Swatantraveer Vinayak Damodar Savarkar who studied their literature, their life. And now it's our major aim, that we want to take this channel, Swatantraveer Vinayak Damodar Savarkar Mitra Mandal Hingoli, not only up to the state level of Maharashtra but India, not only the Southern Asia but to the international level. I know well, or we know well, as the famous lines are there from Robert Frost. Woods are lovely, dark and deep, but we must promise them to keep. Miles to go before I sleep, miles to go before I sleep. So at the same time, we have that vision. That's why just the week we celebrated in Marathi, and now on very second day after the summoning up of the speeches week, oratory week we may say, why I directly miss pour down in English. So I just told you already what our aim is. We want that the generation who crosses 60, they know Savarkar well, maybe supporters or the oppositions. They know well Savarkar. Some admire them, some, no doubt, is they hate them. Why? I don't know. So, okay, means differences of opinions are there. Is the person who believes in communism, if he hates Karl Marx, somewhere we feel it's the mystic. Okay, means thoughts are there, ideologies are there. But it does not mean we are to hate. So, as we know, whenever we live in the global society or in society, people may have different opinions, but all have the aim to lead the society to the most happy and at the same time povertyless society. All have the aim. So that's why, when we see, the thought should be discussed, the thought should be studied, and then one should do the criticism, or one should just acknowledge whatever the thoughts are. It differs from person to person. As we go through, Swatantraveer Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, mainly he is known as for his thoughts of Hindutva, Hinduism, we may say. And equally, whatever the writing is present in Hinduism, definitely it has the main motto, means principle, we may say Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole universe is a family. And if it is said whole universe is the family, it means we all are brethren who live on this planet Earth. All are brethren. Even Marathi poet, the noted poet, Saint Tukaram, he has also advocated the same one. And even he says, the animals, the flora and fauna, the plants, they are also just like our children. Why to keep them, where to grow them. So when such type of thoughts are, and when one talks about Hindutva, that time the people feel the staunch supporters of Savarkar's may speak in a high tone against the secularism. It is not the case. When India is the secular country, all religions are treated equally here. But to show the strength, what is present in Hinduism and what Hinduism is, Savarkar has done that. But he has not done that mainly. He has many angles. And the speech week, which we celebrated in Hingoli, somewhere all the orators try to focus on how Savarkar has the global appeal. And somewhere to reject the global appeal of any scholar, how far it is up to the mark. Even the sanity of the scholarship, sanity of the study will never allow it. So that's why I feel our main aim in the future is to project on the thoughts of Savarkar and how these thoughts are in favor of the humanity, in favor of India, in favor of Indian society, in favor of different religions. This is our main aim. And Savarkar Mitra Mandal Hingoli in incoming days will also celebrate such type of speech oratory weeks on various thinkers who lived the most fervent and resplendent life, the Indian national heroes. And we want to somewhere focus on their thoughts also. So with this broad view, we have started this channel, and surely I say, all the viewers will subscribe our channel, will like our channel, will share our channel. Our aim is nothing but that Swatantra Veer Vinayak Damodar Savarkar should reach each home, not only in India but also around the globe. Again I say, woods are lovely, dark and deep, but we promise them to keep. Miles to go before I sleep, miles to go before I sleep. With this universal truth of Robert Frost, and in his one of the famous poems, he has just talked about the two roads. And we proudly say, through this analysis of Swatantra Veer Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, we are ready to trod the road which is hardly taken and where some of the blades of leaves are still green. Thank you. All the best and happy life to everybody. A safe life. So it's our social duty now. Up till 80% vaccination is not completed from the world, we all should wear the mask. We have to keep the social distancing, and at the same time we have to just wash our hands regularly with soap or sanitizer. With this appeal, I grant you all rosy life and healthy life. Thank you very much. Thank you.
जयोस्तुते श्री महामंगले शिवास्पदे उन्नत महन्मधुरते ते स्वतन्त्रते भगवती स्वतन्त्रते भगवती सर्वतः सहचारी होते वन्दे त्वामहं यशोयुतां वन्दे यशोयुतां वन्दे हे अधमरक्तरञ्जिते हे अधमरक्तरञ्जिते सुजन पूजिते
हे अधमरक्तरञ्जिते सुजन पूजिते
श्री स्वतन्त्रते श्री स्वतन्त्रते श्री स्वतन्त्रते तुझ्यासाठी मरणते जनना तुझ सकल चराचर शरण चराचर शरण श्री स्वतन्त्रते श्री स्वतन्त्रते श्री स्वतन्त्रते जयोस्तु ते श्रीमन्मङ्गले शिवास्पदे शुभे स्वतन्त्रते भगवति